Elephants, with their enormous size, intelligence, and social behavior, are among the most captivating and awe-inspiring creatures on Earth. Their presence has left an indelible mark on both the natural world and human culture. As the largest land animals on the planet, elephants are not only physically imposing but are also revered in many cultures for their wisdom, strength, and loyalty. Their journey through history, their role in ecosystems, and their emotional depth make elephants both fascinating and critical to understanding the natural world. The biology of elephants. Elephants belong to the order Proboscidea, which includes animals with trunks and large tusks. Currently, there are 3 species of elephants: the African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana, the African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, and the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Each species has distinct characteristics, but all share certain biological traits that make them unique and remarkable. Size and physical features. Elephants are renowned for their colossal size. The African bush elephant, the largest of the 3 species, can weigh up to 12,000 pounds, 5,443 kilograms, and stand about 10 to 13 feet, 3 to 4 meters, tall at the shoulder. The Asian elephant is slightly smaller, with adult males reaching up to 9.8 feet, 3 meters, tall and weighing up to 6,000 pounds, 2,722 kilograms. Despite their large size, elephants are surprisingly agile, able to move quietly through dense forests or navigate rough terrain with ease. One of the most iconic features of elephants is their trunk, a highly versatile and sensitive appendage. The trunk is an extension of the upper lip and nose and is used for a variety of tasks, including feeding, drinking, social interactions, and self-defense. An elephant's trunk contains over 40,000 muscles, making it one of the most dexterous and powerful tools in the animal kingdom. It can grasp, lift, spray water, and even produce intricate sounds for communication. Elephants also have large, floppy ears that serve multiple functions. The ears are rich in blood vessels, and their primary role is to help regulate body temperature. By flapping their ears, elephants can release heat and cool themselves, an important adaptation for surviving in hot climates. Their ears are also used for communication, as they can convey information about the elephant's emotional state through their positioning and movement. Elephants are known for their long, curved tusks, which are actually elongated incisor teeth. Both male and female African bush elephants typically have tusks, while in Asian elephants, only some males have them, and they are generally smaller in size. Tusks are used for a variety of purposes, including digging for water, stripping bark from trees, and fighting. Unfortunately, elephant tusks have made them a target for poaching, leading to significant population declines. Lifespan and reproduction. Elephants are long-lived animals, with a lifespan ranging from 60 to 70 years in the wild. However, their slow reproduction rate means that population recovery can be a long process. Female elephants typically reach sexual maturity around the age of 10 to 12 years, while males mature later, around 15 years old. In the wild, the gestation period for elephants is the longest of any land animal, lasting an impressive 22 months. A female elephant usually gives birth to a single calf, although twins are extremely rare. The bond between a mother and her calf is one of the most profound in the animal kingdom. Calves are born weighing between 200 and 300 pounds, 90 to 136 kilograms, and they are highly dependent on their mothers for food, protection, and guidance. The calf nurses from its mother for up to 2 years, but may remain close to her for several more years as it learns essential survival skills. Family bonds are crucial in the elephant world, and the mother-calf relationship is at the heart of their social structure. Elephants are highly emotional creatures, capable of a range of feelings, including joy, grief, empathy, and even playfulness. Their emotional depth is a remarkable aspect of their behavior and is integral to understanding their social structures. In fact, their ability to show empathy and form deep emotional connections with one another is one of the primary reasons elephants are considered one of the most intelligent and emotionally advanced animals. Emotional connections and grief. Elephants have an extraordinary ability to form strong bonds with family members, and their emotional connections extend far beyond the immediate family. The elephant's relationship with one another is highly cooperative and supportive, with individuals looking out for one another, particularly the young and vulnerable. A profound example of their emotional depth is seen in their responses to death. When an elephant in a herd dies, the group often exhibits behaviors that indicate mourning and grief. Elephants are known to approach the body of a deceased companion, sometimes gently touching it with their trunks or feet, as though trying to comprehend the loss. They may stand vigil over the body for extended periods, and sometimes, they are seen engaging in behaviors such as rubbing their bodies against bones or tusks, which may be a form of remembrance. Elephants have also been observed to bury or cover the bodies of the dead with leaves, a behavior that might be driven by their emotional connection to the deceased. It is not just the matriarchs or the older individuals who exhibit this sense of loss. Young elephants, too, show a deep sense of grief when a close family member dies. Studies have shown that elephants can recall the faces and scents of their deceased loved ones and will return to the same area where the death occurred to visit the grave or remains. This behavior demonstrates the profound emotional and cognitive capabilities of elephants. Empathy and altruism. One of the most compelling aspects of elephant behavior is their demonstrated ability to empathize with one another, as well as with other species. There have been numerous observations of elephants displaying empathy toward other animals in distress. For example, elephants have been seen helping injured members of their herd by gently supporting them with their trunks, lifting them, or guiding them away from danger. There are also documented cases of elephants coming to the aid of other species in need. In some instances, elephants have been observed rescuing or assisting smaller animals, such as baboons or even antelopes, from predators. They show understanding and compassion beyond their own species, a rare trait in the animal kingdom. Moreover, elephants have been known to engage in acts of altruism not just within their family groups, but across herd boundaries. In some cases, a young elephant, sensing the distress of an adult in another herd, will offer comfort by approaching and standing near the individual. Such acts of kindness and empathy indicate that elephants are not only aware of their own emotions, but are also sensitive to the emotional states of others. Playfulness and joy. Despite their size and strength, elephants are highly playful animals, particularly in their younger years. Elephant calves enjoy playing with each other, engaging in activities such as mock fighting, chasing, and even rolling around in the mud. Mud baths are not only a way for elephants to cool off but also serve as a form of play and social bonding. In addition to social play, elephants are also known to play with objects, such as logs, stones, or branches. They may pick up an object with their trunk and toss it around or even use it in a game with another elephant. Their playfulness is not limited to their younger years. Adult elephants, too, have been seen playing in waterholes, chasing each other, and engaging in fun, light-hearted activities.